Good afternoon and welcome to PPP Systems Limited. Today I wanted to demonstrate our LifeTime UK number plate software installed onto a small 11-inch laptop. As you can see, the laptop is really small and neat, taking up very little space, yet is powerful enough to drive the sophisticated number plate software. Perfect for small workspaces or when you are selling plates at markets and external venues. With this system, you can connect a variety of printers, including the Oki C650 or Oki B432 or the Godex G500 or a variety of other printers to allow you to design, print and assemble number plates. The beauty of this system is that it is totally standalone with no need to connect to the internet, no license to renew, and basically it is yours. The software is built into the laptop. There are no records kept of plate designs, and you can have both legal and show number plate designs. When we go into the software, you can see there are many features, far too many to cover in this short video. A wide selection of plate sizes for both car and motorcycle. An excellent selection of type styles for the registration number and the bottom line, along with borders, side badges and much more. This is the perfect number plate manufacturing system. I hope this has been useful, and if you're interested in the product, it is available at shop.ppp.systems. Thank you for your time today.